paano mo naisip na i-create tong product na ito?
Unang-una kasi, yung company namin, very very young siya. Nag-start kami as a software developer ng marketing arm ng software developer na based sa US. Tapos kinikater namin yung cloud-based application sa mga owners ng beauty salon, mga spa, massage. And then one of my courtesy calls visit sa aming client na spa. Nakita ko doon yung, di ba nag-offer sila ng drinks
Tsaa.
after
Usually tea,
after the
no?
session. The idea just came to my mind. Sabi ko, ba't di kaya tayo sa isip ko, ba't di kaya kami mag-offer ng something unique for our clients to offer to their clients? Yun ang idea.
Na hindi lang yung usual
Hindi
tsaa.
the usual
Oo, na
tsaa.
green tea,
So that was only the idea. Hindi kami mag-offer directly. And then I discussed it with my daughter pagdating sa bahay. And then kahit before pa, fascinated na kami sa benefits na makukuha ng body sa collagen. So kasi nag-travel kami previous years, especially sa Japan and Singapore. Na-amaze ako na kahit in their old age, grabe talaga ako
They look
magtrabaho sila.
young.
Yeah. And then when they move around, kahit na in their 80s, 90s, even in Singapore, mga drivers ng taxi drivers,
Malalakas.
nag-drive pa, yes. And then we found out that part of their diet is collagen.
Really?
So
Paano?
yes.
Paano?
Yung
Naturally, saan ba nakukuha ang collagen?
kasi maraming sources ang collagen.
Oo, oo,
Pero
oo.
sa Japan, kasi normally kinukuha nila yung sa mga beef, yung tendons ng beef, chicken feet, those are high in collagen. Pero we don't expect naman Filipinos to eat every day.
Oo.
Pero dapat maging part natin yan. Kasi our body talagang naturally produces collagen at a very young age. Pero once we hit the age of early 20s, that's the time na nagde-diminish na yung production natin ng collagen
Early
sa katawan.
20s pa lang, nagde-diminish
20s pa
na
lang.
yung collagen.
Yes.
But what is collagen?
Collagen serves as a lubricant sa mga joints
Lubricant
natin eh.
siya.
Yes.
Yun na nga.
Yung flexibility ng mga bones, joints. Kaya hindi iniisip ngayon kasi pag narinig nilang collagen, pampaganda, pampaputi,
beauty.
pampabae,
Yun nga eh.
beauty.
Oo.
No, it does more than that.
It's really wellness.
Yes,
Oo.
yes, health and wellness. Kaya yun yung naging part ng diet ng mga Japanese and Singaporeans.
Although
Makikita
marami
naman natin sa kanila eh.
Oo, although
Yes.
maraming Pinoy naman na mahilig sa chicken feet, di ba?
Yes,
Adidas.
yes, yes.
Adidas ang tawag.
Yes, those are really high in
Oo,
collagen.
pero hindi naman lahat nga. Like what you said,
Yes,
kumakain nun. Eto, madali, dalhin
Yes.
kahit saan. It's a drink. Oo.
Yes. Kaya mas maganda is dapat masarap to.
Oo.
So yun ang pinag-usapan namin
Oo,
ng
ng yung
doctor.
anak na si Micaela.
Yes,
Oo.
yes. So yun, dapat to matamis para babalikan. Hindi ka maubligang inumin. Kasi tayo minsan, nauobliga tayo dahil alam natin needs. Pero mas maganda na yung masarap na.
Yung na-enjoy mo.
Yes,
Oo.
na-enjoy mo pa. So that's why we
yogurt
came.
siya, no? Yogurt?
It's a
Yogurt
non-dairy
nakalagay.
creamer, yes.
Sige,
Non-dairy
tingnan natin.
creamer.
Mamatimpla mo nga
Sige,
para makita natin.
Ito yung, kwento mo nga, ano yung story behind yung banana flavor
Yes.
nito. Oo.
Kasi
Maganda story yan. Habang
after na
ginagawa ko
nag-formulate kami, syempre yung lasa. So gusto namin, kasi parang karaniwan na sa market, yung mga strawberry flavor, ito yung mga talagang
Expected
influenced
na.
by the westerns. So sabi ko, since Filipino to, kailangan i-showcase natin yung Philippine product. So, yun, nagkaroon kami ng idea ng banana. Pero sabi niya, banana? At that time, hit na hit yung mga K-pop, yung mga Korean. So, meron na kaming na-discover na banana milk na made in Korean, na
made in
Korea,
Korea, oo.
na nagpatok sa sa public, sa market, lalo na yung mga millennials
Banana
and
milk.
Gen Z.
Banana milk.
Yun.
Okay.
So I forgot the brand itself, pero available siya sa mga supermarkets. So doon namin nakakuha kami ng idea. So inspired yung taste
ng
ng banana.
Ito na nga. O, tikman na natin pa po. So, ito na ho yung banana yogurt flavor
Yes,
ng
yes.
Nuyu Collagen
Yes,
drink.
and per
Okay.
sachet, kasi yung nakikita natin sa screen, Mamo,
Oo.
yan yung pouch. And for one pouch, it has 10 sachets.
Okay, ito na.
So isang sachets ng banana, it only has 24 calories.
Wow, ito na nga, nakalagay nga. 24
Yes.
calories
It's not
per
meant to
sachet.
replace meal, pero pag tinake mo siya, parang lagi kang busog.
Pero calories
Kasi
mo,
tayo-
24 lang.
Yes, kasi
Nakaka-slim ba ito? Yan?
It helps in the weight,
In slimming,
weight management. Yes, weight
Ah.
management.
In what way?
Kasi
Kasi
yung
busog ka.
nasusuppress, may active kasi kami, yung Garcinia cambogia.
Oo.
It's a fruit extract na nasusuppress yung appetite
Hunger.
mo. Yes, for craving, for food.
Ay,
Kasi di ba
paano
tayo,
panalo?
halimbawa, kakakain lang natin, we
parang
crave
gutom
for
ka na
something
naman.
eh.
Oo.
Di ba parang Pilipino,
Oo.
kahit nabusog ka na, you crave for something na gusto mo pang
Kailangan
Parang
may
lang,
dessert
ano,
or
matamis.
something.
Parang ganun eh. Pero ito, it just inhibits.
So, pwede itong inumin before a meal?
Wala, kasi
Pwede
wala
ba yun?
namang hard and fast rules
Ah,
when it
okay.
comes to taking collagen.
Ah,
so,
okay. So, pag
whatever.
ininom mo to before a main meal, ang tendency, busog ka
Busog
na,
ka eh,
hindi ka
yes.
masyadong
Yes,
lalafang.
yes,
Ito,
yes.
papatikman ko na ha.
Mo,
Yeah.
mga
So, this
gano'ng
is the-
kadalas mo dapat inumin yan?
Kasi for the adult, we recommend 2 sachets eh. And nire-recommend
A day.
namin. Yes, a day. 2 sachets a day. Ako personally,
A day.
I'm
So,
taking the
breakfast and
lychee.
dinner.
Yeah, I'm taking the lychee in the morning kasi it has oral sunscreen actives.
Ay, may pa-sunscreen active pa to.
Yes,
Wait lang, Papo.
yes.
Ito muna, isa-isa. Yung banana. Tingnan mo, Papo. Ang sarap
Banana
niya.
flavored collagen drink.
Oo,
Yes.
collagen din. Ako,
It's
Papo,
even-
babata ka ng mga 25 years.
Pwede nang makipag-marathon si Papo.
Parang yak.
Anong ya?
Yung yak.
Ay, pero ito kasi, non-dairy Papo.
Yes,
Oo.
non-dairy.
So, ito na,
May lactobacilli rin ba
Yeah.
to?
Oh, and then non-dairy
wala
na.
na.
non-dairy.
Dairy,
And we
So,
use
ito na.
stevia as sweetener.
Ayan, so that's, kaya siya sweet.
Yes.
In fact, yung isang sachet, dahil matamis, pwedeng more than 1 glass pwedeng 2 glasses.
Masarap, yes.
Oo.
Masarap kasi kung with ice.
Oh, with the ice.
So,
Masarap
madidilute
malamig.
pa siya,
Oo.
yes.
Yeah,
Kasi
yung chilled,
refreshing
no?
eh. Refreshing.
Oo. Pero okay na to as it is. Okay
Yeah.
na siya.